So let's go to the crash out after court. Now I'm going to play one video. This video does have some vulgar language, so hopefully we don't get age restricted again, but who knows? But obviously prepare yourselves for some vulgar language. This is some video of Hank and Johnny. They actually go down the stairwell so far that they end up in the basement, but I'm going to play it here. So he curses out their family.
Ryan, aren't you like 40-something? Yeah.
That's a weird sort of jab. He tries to jab at someone for being old, which is like really freaking weird.
Tony, don't crash out in the courthouse. Don't crash out in the courthouse.
In case you didn't catch it, I said he's not going to jail. That's funny. So here he goes. He goes down one level too far and ends up in the basement, which is hilarious. So Hank was raging at people. He was cursing at people. You heard him say, F your mother, F you. Actually, by doing that, he actually opens himself up to criminal action. Why does he do that? Well, because in Korea, you have something called insult. And it actually happened outside the courtroom, so it could even be contempt of court to a certain extent. Any one of those foreigners that he was cursing at, the people that were there, from what I heard, the Korean media largely he just said no comment. So it's more of the foreigners that were there. Any of those guys could go to the Sonpa police station. They could go over in Mapo, right outside the courthouse. It's right across the street. They could go file a police report for insult against Hank. Against Hank. Remember, we don't have any charges against Hank yet that we know of. So we could get that Hank ball rolling here. And a lot of people are looking for what to go against Hank. I think that would be a great one. Just throw some insult at him. Even if it disrupts Hank's life, even if it forces Hank to spend 8 hours at a police station, I'm all for it. Hank has been an enabler. He's an absolute traitor to the Korean country, to the Korean people. I am all for bringing problems on Hank because Hank has been an enabler to Somali all the way through. So I wish and I do hope that some people can bring something against Hank for that because I think it opens him up there. And any way in which we can get more pressure on Hank, I think that's a good thing.